see something.
Baby, why?
I see something.
No, come down. Hurry up.
No, I gotta find out what it is.
Hurry up.
No,
Come down.
no.
Yes.
Look.
Come down. Hurry
I got
up.
it. I got it. Look. I got it. Guys, you won't believe what noise we've been hearing recently. Like, it's been crazy. Have you guys not been hearing that night?
Bro, all I hear is...
What? Oh. Yo, there it goes. It came right from the corner.
Go get it, bro.
Dude, what could that be?
I'm scared. Bro, you gotta go haymaker.
What? Hey, again, bro. Guys, also, I mean, this literally been happening for like the past like 2 nights. Literally, it's been crazy. We've been waking up in the middle of the night.
Baby, we need to move from here.
Move? What are you talking about, girl? We don't got no place to live at.
I'm moving because I cannot sleep with that noises. I don't know what is up there.
Literally, it was one night. I'm gonna show you guys the video right over here of how crazy it was.
Baby, did you hear that noise?
This is crazy.
I'm telling you, baby, something is in the thing.
That just woke me up again, dude.
Babe, it's like they're knocking or something. Baby,
This is the
scary.
second night in the row again. This noise woke me up.
We need to call somebody. I'm serious.
No, wait. Tomorrow we're checking the attic. There's no way. Tomorrow we're checking the attic. Just like that, guys. It's been wild. We have no idea what it is. Kathy thinks it's an animal. I think it has something to do with like the storm or the leak or whatever it is. Gustavo, what do you think it is, man?
I think it's either a raccoon or a rat.
What about if it's a person? Maybe
What?
How could a person climb into the roof? And we're not in Minecraft that could literally...
we never know,
A
baby.
person?
What about, I don't know, because it's too much noise.
What? Dude! Bro, hold on, bro. I'm gonna go here look for the noise again, bro. It's coming, guys, from like straight up right here, bro. No, if it was a person, I'd be like knocking back, bro.
That person is not gonna be knocking back to you.
It has to be an animal, Kathy. It 100% has to be an animal.
Has to. I don't know what we're gonna do. We need to do something. And
Oh, bro, it's definitely a raccoon, bro. Cause guys, check this out. Hold on, let me get down here. Also, I mean, literally, since I've been in this house, guys, we have had raccoons late at night eating like all the garbage in the garbage cans.
Just like...
how the raccoon is gonna get up there? That's I don't think.
See, raccoons have hands.
Yes, they got. Bro, I cannot. Dude. Also, I mean, tonight we're going into the attic. So, guys, this is the game plan. Basically, we're gonna have to go up into the attic, and we need to grab some stuff to go up there because we have to figure out what this is. Because if it's some animal like that's been like digging holes, because animals can crawl, whether like rats or.
Imagine there's babies.
Babies, dude, stop speaking this stuff into existence, bro. What are you talking about? But whether it's if it's a rat or it's a rat, I'm thinking most likely it's like a rat or a raccoon. Like I said, the way it doesn't sound like a human. I don't know what he's talking about, but whatever. So we're gonna go up there in the attic.
What are you talking about? How human sounds?
It doesn't, dude. If there was a human in there, it would die of food and water exhaustion.
You don't know
that.
if we're not here. They come downstairs.
God, just gonna stop. This lady is I don't know what movie she's been watching, guys, but this is crazy. Okay, but again,
one day, you know, I was here alone and I heard a big noise, and you know it.
dude, she called me. Also, I mean, she called me like in the middle when I was working, like this, baby. I hear something. And I'm like, what are you talking about, Kathy? I hear something. I'm like, I'm at work right now. There's no way you hear something. Close the door. She's like, okay, I'll close the door. And then she was going secretly, and then she just.
Seriously.
It was
They're not gonna believe it, but it was serious.
Bro,
I
guys.
heard a noise, and I was here alone.
Dude, I was like, what's gonna happen? But I ain't gonna lie, I was like, baby, should I drive to you? And she's like, no, it's okay, it went away. Probably it was some wind or something. But long story short, also, I mean, tonight is gonna be the night that we're gonna solve whatever is in our house. If there's an animal in there, 100% we're calling pest control. Katiuska, we have to go upstairs. It's the only way to handle this stuff. I'm not gonna keep hearing noises in my house and then not even understand what it is. You know what I mean? For right now, let's go downstairs, grab the items that we need, and we're all gonna meet by the attic, okay? Also, comment down below, what do y'all think it's gonna be? I'm gonna take y'all along for this journey. It might be one of the most terrifying videos that you guys are gonna see, depending on what we find up there. Hopefully, it's nothing bad. I also remember, these are the mouse traps that I bought in advance. Tomcat mouse trap. We got 4 of these suckers, so if any of these rats come in here, they're getting chop, chop, chop. You know what I mean? Also,
Hey, Mr. Rat Killer.
Okay, but that's, say it again, hopefully it's a rat. If not, because if it's a raccoon, this definitely is not working.
If it's a rat, I'm gonna call it Ratatouille.
What? Ratatouille.
What are you talking about, Ratatouille, bro? What are you
It's not
on?
gonna be a rat. I think it's something else.
Well, again, Kathy, let's think positive, okay? How about, let's just hope it's nothing, guys. But obviously with the noises, it's something. Grab me a flashlight, Gustavo. We're gonna need a flashlight. Don't forget, we're gonna need a ladder. Do we have a gloves or no?
Yeah, let me find the.
Alright, hold on. I'll come with you. Look at the flashlight first. Grab the biggest one we got. Oh my, dude! You're gonna blind All-Star family, bro. That's bad for your eyes. Let me see this house for me. Let me see this. Okay.
Grab the big one, cause you don't know what you're.
2024 October. There is something very, very weird in our updoor attic. We don't know what it is, All-Star family, but we will find out! Or not. Are you blinding the All-Star family, bro? What is your problem, bro? Chill, man.
You like my flashlight?
Alright, that low-key, we're gonna need both of those things, okay? So put it over here, all supplies, flashlight check, and mouse traps check. Next thing is, so bad. Alright, 1 second. Flashlight check, boom, and mouse trap check. Bro, I can still hear the noise from, bro, I'm telling you, man. It's in this general area, and the attic's like right there, guys, okay?
That's not a rat, it's something else.
I just gotta stop. No, this girl's going to, again, she's been seeing way too many movies, okay, guys? Oh, perfect, okay. All right, I'm gonna need this. Gustavo, gloves, check.
And the
Good
stairs.
catch. Oh, the stairs? Oh, you mean a ladder?
That, yeah.
Ladder's completely different than stairs. We already have stairs. I'll carry that baby. Here, hold the camera. I got you. Here. Yeah, man, this thing's horrible in here, guys. We had to bring our trash cans in, guys, so if you guys don't know, there's literally a hurricane coming into Orlando right now, and we have to bring everything inside, because if not, then obviously it's gonna fly. No matter how long I've been in this household, guys, I haven't even been in the attic yet, so I don't even know how it looks, to be honest. Hopefully it's not like too dusty or too like trippy.
Again, baby, I'm telling you, we need to move from this house.
Why do you want to move, bro? What are you talking about?
Well, I don't know. I don't know why she could be there.
What are you talking about? Gustavo Morales. I'm about to karate chop you, bro.
You're gonna drop this.
What? Patty, relax. Don't worry. I got it. Okay, okay. So first things first. Let's get prep. Okay, Gustavo grabbed me his old ski mask. So I'm gonna use this just to cover my mouth. Because again, the same exact way he's allergic to dust also, I am also.
Alright guys, I'm so scared to open that.
I got
Can
the
you
flashlight.
imagine we open it and it just like comes at us, bro?
I mean, I got the flashlight, so you.
What is the flashlight's gonna do? All you're doing is blinding me right now.
You'll be able to blind the animal or the thing that's in there or anything that's in there. So like, it's gonna affect the animal, I guess.
What is he talking about? Okay, this good? Look cool?
You look like a goofball.
Huh?
You look like a ninja.
Somebody was kung fu fighting.
Alright, bet. Let me set the ladder up. Hold on, go out here. Alright, hold on, G. Alright, guys, we gotta make sure this is set like crazy right now, okay? I don't want this thing coming up. Oh, let me set it right over here. Should I come from like this angle?
You have to open it.
No, but should I come from like...
Yes, because that thing is, to open it is like, you need to push it.
Alright, hold on. Let me set this up real quick.
Goodness, this is so
Alright, thank you, Jesus, for your safekeeping. Okay, hopefully I'm good. Gustavo,
You
back
need
it
to
up a
put
little
it
bit.
in the middle.
Gustavo, back up a little quick. Back up. Alright, Sonny. I should have grabbed glasses too. Yo, can you grab me the orange glasses? The black and orange ones?
How are you gonna see?
They're in my drawer. Alright. Let's do this. Alright, Gustavo. Flashlight.
Which one?
Give me the small one for now. Flashlight me and put the rat traps going to me. Is it better to stand on this? Or whatever. Alright, Gustavo, I need you to hold the ladder just so I don't fall, okay?
It's gonna be time. I'm scared.
Oh, this is... Hold on, man. This thing's kind of tall. Hold on.
One. 1, 2.
It's so dark up here.
It's
Oh, yo, there's something on here. Hold up. There's something on here though, for real.
What are you talking about? Baby, don't go over there.
Open.
Close it. I don't want to see
Yo,
it.
let me get a flashlight. Let me get a flashlight. Flashlight me, bro. Flashlight me.
You have it.
No, I need. Oh, I do have it. My bad. Hold up.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, I got hard time.
Whoa. Baby,
Yo.
what is there? What is in there?
Thank you, Jesus. Hold on. Yo, this is trippy.
Dude, I can't
Hold
see
this. Hold this.
anything.
Double.
Put
Open
that
up.
on the floor.
You can put the thing down, bro. You're good. Alright. Thank you, Jesus.
What's on top of that thing?
Oh my goodness.
Yo.
Baby. Baby, you need to open it. Why? What happened?
Yo, this is trippy. Hold on.
What are you looking at?
Hold on. Let me record for all this, baby. Forget the gloves. One second.
This is crazy.
It's like something leaning.
That's creepy.
It's a fan.
Oh, it's the fan. Yeah, it's the fan thing.
Ew. My pants.
Hold on, let me slide it over.
You need to. Oh, those dirty things are coming down.
Oh!
What happened?
Oh, nothing.
Why are you scaring me like that, bro?
Yo, it was coming from. Yo, I'm not gonna lie though, this is trippy. Hold on.
Trippy? What do you mean
Hold on.
trippy? What do you mean trippy?
Let me get some good angle. This thing is heavy on top of me.
It's the fan.
Hold up.
You cannot slide it down like to the other side?
What? Shh.
What happened? What? Baby, get out of there. Baby, get out of there.
I need to go.
Yeah, I don't want
I
you to
think
go
there's
in
poop.
there. What? Poop?
No, I'm not even lying. I think there's poop up there.
Poop about what?
Look it right there. Hold up.
I can't see.
Oh, baby, I don't want to see that.
That's
for
like
real.
big poop.
Ew, I don't want to see
Dude.
that. For real. Baby, get out of there.
No.
Calm down, please.
I need to find out what it is. Hold up.
No,
I need
you're
to
not
go
going to
deeper
go
in.
in there.
Hold up.
What is your problem?
Can I stand on this?
It's gonna break down.
No, that's going to be good.
Hold up.
You can stand on there.
Hold up. Stop. Hold my ladder.
Baby, for real, you need to calm down. Forget about that. We need to call somebody.
Bro, there's full on poop right here.
Oh my goodness.
This is crazy. I don't know if y'all see anything back there. I can't even turn my head.
Baby.
This is. Bro, give me a trap. Give me a
A
trap.
trap?
Give me a trap, Gustavo.
You need to set it up.
Take these glasses off. Can't see anything.
Baby, we need to call somebody because if there's poop, they need to go inside of there
I
and
can't
figure
read.
out what is there.
Jump.
Y'all see
I
that?
can't read.
He cannot reach.
Give it to me. Open it up for me, bro. What is this? Trying to set me up for failure?
I can't read.
Oh my goodness.
Is it bad if I climb up here?
Baby, you don't know what is there. How you're gonna go inside of there? You need to calm down and calm down.
Also, y'all see anything over here?
You need to set it up.
Also, this is like trippy, bro. These noises.
How do you set it up?
I don't think I can go back here because of AC.
Wait, John, how do you set it up?
Give me the setup. I'll set it up myself. Don't worry, I got it. Alright. You gotta put it right over here. And guys, I'm gonna set it up right here.
Baby,
Just for almost.
need to hurry up. I don't
worry,
want that
worry.
thing
We're
to
good.
come
We're
down
good.
there.
Relax. We're good. Austin, I'm telling you, it's good.
Bro, hurry up, bro.
Oh, I see
What?
something.
Baby, what?
I
Go.
see something.
No, come down. Hurry
Kathy,
up.
no, I gotta find out what it
Baby,
is.
hurry up.
No,
Come down.
no.
Yes.
Look,
Come down. Hurry
I got
up.
it.
Sit.
I got it. Look. I got it. I got it. Look at it.
No, move it. Move.
What is that?
Ew, that's a rat.
It's a fake one.
What is your problem, bro?
Bro.
That's Jimmy.
What is your problem?
It's Jimmy.
I put
You
it.
think that's funny? You almost give me a heart attack, bro.
I put it in my pocket.
No, I don't
before.
like it. I
But
don't like
no-
rats. You know I'm scared of rats.
Yo, bro. This is what. Yo,
Bro, you're not
but
funny,
for
for
real,
real.
my bad. But forget the pranks. Honestly, though, I still think there's something in it, though. So I think I can't go. I think we need a professional, guys, to go in there because you see this stuff right over here. To get behind this, you need somebody to crawl it. I don't think I can go too high. So, and I think I do see like, I don't know if that's poop or that's just part of the thing, but they look gigantic, All-Star Family. So literally, I think the best bet is we should like, let me set another one of these traps up real quick. Oh, I'll give more of these just in case of a rat.
Hurry up and close it.
I got
For
you, don't
real.
worry, Kathy. At least we know it's not a person. Hello, you in
How
there?
How you know it's not a person?
Kathy's looking for you.
Tell him I'm gonna cook for him.
What do you ain't cooking for nobody but me, girl. What are you talking about, okay?
The chicas for me.
What? And me and Gustavo, okay? Maybe the other two, but who cares?
And 3.
Alright, so guys, also I'm gonna set these rat traps up. Give me 1 second. Let me put my phone down. Hi, Dr. Femi.
Baby, hurry up and close that. I don't
I
want
ain't
to
gonna
see it
lie.
like that. Close
Guys,
it.
my heart is like beating. I know I'm a prankster, but low key up there, it has a strong smell too. So I think we have to call the pest control and then get somebody professional. The only problem is with this storm, we don't know how long till we even get a pest control person. And these noises, it's weird how they slow down the moment I open up the door. So that means
They can see you.
100%. Why do you keep saying they like it's a person?
I don't know.
Okay, that means also that something's in there and they're scared. So
Close it. Hurry up and close
there was
it.
one day, guys, and also I'm not even playing with y'all. There was one day when the girls and Gustavo heard a noise, and this was opened by itself. I was like, my mind was like, there was a day when I was.
And it was around the days that thing was knocking
It
too.
also, I mean, I was banging the
When
thing.
I'm telling you,
Go ahead.
bro, I was, you know how I play video games, bro. When I'm telling you, all I hear in my door is, bro, I go in my room, bro, and all I see is literally, I go to my mom's room and John's room, and all I see
Open.
is this open.
Straight up open.
Bro.
And he's like, oh, I'm thinking he's pranking us or something, but no, man.
But
I'm
I
the king
can't
of pranks
reach.
over here. And we gotta clean this up right over here, but this is basically the update of what we've been dealing with inside this house, and we need to get this thing solved like ASAP, okay? But the main goal is that we're safe and we have to keep an eye on each other because, like I said, these noises that been coming from upstairs, it's been like crazy, okay? But we love y'all so much. Again, we're gonna take you guys on this journey and we're gonna give you guys an update if anything else happens, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down this video. We love y'all so much, and
And
we'll.
also, guys.
Oh.
Also, don't forget to turn on the notification, comment down below when you're done, and we're gonna shout out you in the next video,
Yes,
okay?
so hit them comments and turn on that sub bell. I'm telling y'all, turn the notification bell, please.
So we see you at the stars.